walking up this really long hill, so I thought I'd talk to keep my mind off of my burning legs. One of the things that we just recently learned on our camper was with boondocking and having all of the fun Victron Multi-Plus and all of our stuff was actually draining our batteries a bit more than what we were expecting overnight. We did an experiment last night where we charged everything up using our generator and then actually shut the Victron down overnight. And that helped tremendously. We lost 1% overnight versus probably 10% that it was. Now that's not all the Victron though. We ended up charging our phones, our watches, and my camera equipment before we went to bed. So it is a combination thing, but if you're boondocking and really need to conserve battery power, that might be an option. Right now we do use the generator because, again, we're in a forest, so difficult to get that solar that we want. If you have any other ideas on conserving power, put it in the comments. We'd love to hear it.